Okay, friends, now we are going to start that Ucluster, Ucluster, cluster, 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 uh, indicator on
चलो
the
मेरे
MT5.
क्लास चली पे मेरी है ना
First of all,
इतनी
go to MQL5,
हाँ कर दूंगा
यस
और
सर।
किया
then in
फोन
files,
मेरा बंद कर दिया
uh,
ना तरन नंबर कर दे
then in indicators
कर
section,
लेने
we have to paste
तब
the
दिखाऊंगा ये करे
copied file of
क्लास
Ucluster. Here I have pasted that Ucluster demo 1, Ucluster demo WTIM. It is a more improved version of Ucluster, and I have pasted it in MQL5, then in the folder indicators. Okay,
ठीक है सर। ओके।
राजेश
now
जी
what to do with the profile,
हेलो
how to apply the
राजेश सर
templates when we will apply the indicator on the chart. Then
राजेश सर
yeah,
सर
yes
वो
sir,
मैं
yes
ऐसा
sir.
बोल रहा था कि रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर लेना साथ में ना
Okay, okay, it is going on, don't worry.
हाँ फिर मैं एक बार दोबारा देख लूंगा ना फिर अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा
Okay bro, no problem.
ओके सर थैंक यू
Now I am going to apply the U cluster indicator on the chart. Press your control plus N, then we will get that navigator pane, and here click the right click, take right click, then click the refresh button. Then here we will get in this navigator pane, we will get the U cluster indicator also. Here I have this one and this one, because I have applied here two indicators, that is Ucluster demo 1 and its more improved version Ucluster demo
Recording in progress.
WTV7.9 indicator. Then double click that one and click the OK. Then we will
यहाँ
get
पे
the
क्या है
screen.
क्लिप?
Yeah, then we will get the screen like that. And we have already pasted the template in the files folder. I'm going to show that one.
यस सर।
Data folder, then MQL5, then files folder. Here I have already pasted the Raj 3 and Raj 2 templates, and we can now use that one. If you have any new template, then you can right click here and then paste here if you get any more improved version of the template. Then in this, then you have to click on this icon on the chart, then click the load button, then click the local folder button, and here you will get the templates which you have already pasted in the files folder. Then click the your desired one template. My desired one is Raj 3. You can click here load button. You can click here load button. Then it will get applied on our chart. Then click the apply button and then click the OK. In this way, we can install the Yucluster indicator, and as well as the templates. Now we will discuss how to manipulate, how to change, how to make changes in the uh, existing template. You can click on that icon to change your applied template. Here on initially click on icon if it is your unknown language, then from that button we can select the language. Here I have selected the English. If someone like the Chinese, he may select the Chinese and he will get all the things in Chinese here. But my desired language is English, so I will use English. From that button we can select the fonts, etc. Here we are getting all the things in Chinese because initially we applied the Chinese, but now we have selected the English. Now we have to apply OK. Then we will get all the things in English here. Now I will discuss only the major things which are essential for us. Sometimes we get very small sizes of the candles and or very large sizes of the candles. Then what we have to do? Then from that point, in the common tab, then from price we can get here price step, and from that point we can increase the number of steps. For example, now I am applying here 10, the step 10, then my size of my candles on the chart will reduce. Yes, like that. And if I want larger one size, then I can reduce the number of steps. For example, now I am taking 3, but sometimes we get the very small candles in the step 3 also. Then we can change it to step 1 also. And now we get sufficient size of the candle. And here, what is the importance? Now we will discuss what is the importance of the size of the candle. The importance of the size of the candle is that if it will be sufficient one to observe, it should be sufficient one to observe the displacement or rejection, etc. If we are getting any difficulty in observing the rejection, etc., then we can increase the size of the candle. Now we will discuss some parts of the candle. Here this one cluster is the POC. This one cluster is POC. Here we are getting 2 POCs. Mean to say these 2 clusters are having the equal volumes, and yes, equal volumes. Here also these clusters are having equal volumes and maximum 1 equal volumes. That is why here in this candle we are getting 2 clusters. Moreover, that how to trade these clusters we have already discussed in from class number 1 to class number 5, how to use the volume profiles in binary trading. Little bit discussion may be taken. Then it is important to see that as it is there in the delta river. Suppose this is a candle, seller candle, and our POC is here, then it is showing that buyers are stronger here. As the POC will move down, interest of sellers will go on increasing and interest of buyers will go on increasing and the interest of sellers will go on decreasing as the POC will move downward direction. But as the POC will move from bottom to the top, interest of buyers will go on decreasing and interest of sellers will be going on increasing. Mean to say, the interest of buyers is directly proportional to the depth of the POC in the candle, and interest of sellers is directly proportional to the height of the POC in the candle, whatever it is, the candle of buyers or the candle of sellers. And it is by the logic point of view, and by the cramming point of view we can also discuss that if it is seller candle and this is wick, these are the wicks, and the POC is at that point, then it is showing that there is control of the buyers on the candle now, and the next candle may move up in the upward direction. As we have already discussed that the interest of the seller buyers is directly proportional to the depth of the POC. Highest interest, it is showing highest interest of the buyer. As the POC will go on moving higher and higher, it will show that interest of buyers is going on decreasing now, and the interest of sellers is going on increasing as the height of the POC will go on increasing. And by the delta river point of view, if this is the candle and POC is at the bottom, then this is called push bar, means next this POC will push the market in the upward direction. It categorizes the candle in 4 parts by the point of view of POC. First, second, third, and fourth part. If the POC is at the bottom in the fourth part, then it is push bar, and if the POC is in the second part, then it is called pushed bar. And this is pushed in direction, and this is stop bar. Why it is stop bar? Because it is indicating the reversal, because POC is at it's a fourth quadrant, and next it is highest possibility that next candle will go down. if suppose this is buyer's candle in that case. Okay, and this
Yes, sir.
was all which I was interested to discuss. Now, from the chart, we see this was the label. Earlier, this was the label, and
Level.
yeah, and POC of this candle is at the top.
On top.
Yes, yeah. Then this is indicating that in the seller area, sellers are stronger, are
More than buyer.
more interested as compared to buyers.
Buyer.
Yeah, that's why this candle went up and then took
And
rejection from
rejected
that point. And in the
top
third
level.
class, yeah, and in the third class also, we have already discussed what we have discussed. We have discussed that if this there is a seller candle and this is value area high, this is value area low,
Value
and
low.
yeah, and this is the
This
POC.
POC.
Yes, and if any next candle's opening is here at that point, then let it go to that area, the area in between value area high and value area low, and let it to take rejection, little bit rejection, then place your trade in between that area. In that area, we have to place there our trade on the POC or before the POC. Then it will be a sure trade. And here we were discussing here. Yeah, this was the POC. Candle went up, and that was the our trade area. Okay, more.
Yes, sir.
Yes, here also you can see. Okay, because of that label, it happened like that. Moreover, that here also this was the seller area, that is, and here what happened? Candle again went higher. This is the POC. This candle opened here, went here, and from value area high, it took rejection. Okay, and this candle is impact of some news, etc. I think so. It was the last candle of 00 time. Like that, we will discuss some other cases also. No, not visible on the history. Yes. At the bottom, this is the buyer area. Okay, sir. Sachita ji,
Yes. Yes,
this
sir.
is this was the buyer area, and this was the POC. What does it indicate? It is indicating that buyers are interested because the POC is at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that area, buyers are interested. Whatever it was, the news impact, candle came here, crossed the POC, took rejection.
This from
Yeah,
POC.
and while it took rejection, it was time to place trade in the upward direction.
Below. Below the POC.
Yeah, yeah. on the POC or below the POC if you want the 100% trade. Here also you can see the case. Okay, sir. Now the
Yes,
remaining
sir.
case, the remaining things we will discuss in the next video, and in that series related to Yucluster, there may be 3 to 4 videos, and I think as you know the price action etc. very well, 3 to 4 videos will be
Yes, sir. So,
more than sufficient for us. Okay,
yes, sir.
this was a little bit. This was all about the installation of Yucluster in MT5 and apply the template and to modify the template, and little bit how to use the Yucluster in binary trading, because today is Saturday and the market is not open. It is OTC market and it do not work on the OTC market. On Monday we will discuss how to take trade using the Yucluster.
Euclid.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. We will be trading on Monday.
Okay.